Hi guys, thank you for watching our tutorial on how to make a French braid. First you're going to split the hair with a small top section, and when you've got the hair you want to use, you're going to comb it nicely. And after it's combed and all the bumps are smooth, you're going to split the hair into 3 sections. There's a right, left, and a middle section. First you're going to take the left section, cross it over the middle, and then a right section, cross it over the middle like you're doing a normal braid. And you're going to pick up hair, add it to the left section, and smooth it out as needed, going down the head. And then that left section that you added in, you're going to cross it over the middle. And then grab hair on the right side, smooth it out with a comb so that there's minimal bumps, and take that right section and cross it over to the middle. And then take hair to the left and grab it and add it to the left section, smooth it with a comb, and cross it over to the middle. And then the right section, you're going to grab some hair, going to smooth it add it to the right, smooth it with a comb, and add it to the middle. And I apologize that you can't see what I'm doing very well right here, but if you follow what I'm saying, it's fairly simple. So you're going to continue doing this all the way down the head until you get to the bottom. So again, just pulled some hair to the left, and added it to the middle, and then pulled some hair to the right and add it to the middle, and smooth it as you go down so there's minimal bumps. My daughter does have very thick hair, so it's a lot for my hands to hold. And again, add hair to the rightmost. You're going to smooth it down so there's minimal bumps, and add it to the middle section, add it to the middle, and smooth it down as you go. You're going to continue this all the way down to the bottom of the hair. Depending on the size chunks you choose, you'll have either a very large braid, thick braid like I'm doing now, or a smaller braid if you choose to do smaller sections. And you're just going to continue going braiding down, so left over middle, right over middle, left to the middle, right to the middle, until the end. When you get to the bottom of the hair where you want to stop the braid, you're just going to section it off with an elastic, and it's finished. Thank you for watching. Hope everyone has a great day. Please like and subscribe. Bye.